Welcome to my video. I hope you all are well. In this video, we will learn how to filter data in Excel using List Filter and SUMIF function. Go to Data tab and select Data Validating. Select List from tab Allow. Select Source for List from Data. Press OK. Now you can see that list is created. Now we will move toward formula writing. As we know today, we will use SUMIF formula. In Range, we select Table of Data that we will use in List. In Criteria, we will select Excel cell in which list exists. In Sum Range, we will use values from where values we want in respected cell to list. Here you can see it is showing 0. Let's select any employee name. Let's change employee name and see what happened to values. Here you can see value has been updated.